How to do plank. Plank is a good calorie burner exercise that builds core strength, burn belly fats, and also improves your body balance. Place your forearms on the floor with elbows aligned below shoulders. Now with the support of your toes and forearms, raise up your upper body until your body makes a straight horizontal line with the ground. Make sure you don't do any of these common mistakes while doing plank. First, leaning your hips too low, causing all your core muscles to disengage. Second, raising your hips too high, putting more pressure on the shoulders. Third, bending your knees, causing your body to get disbalanced and putting more pressure on your lower body. Fourth, placing your feet wider than shoulder and hip level, causing all your core muscles to disengage. For beginners, try 15 to 30 seconds for 3 sets. For intermediate, try 30 to 45 seconds for 3 sets. And for advanced, try at least 1 minute for 3 sets.